Fall back.
Fall back.
Cover your thing, I'm gonna flank him. Damn it, they got me. We need help at Intel.
Where?
Intel.
Oh, where in Intel?
The fucking intelligence. The room that has the...
Intel.
Oh, I got him.
Hey, I killed him.
Got him.
Alright, I'm gonna set up my shit again.
Get down here, staff. Get into the Intel.
Oh shit. They set up a mini.
Defend it, you retard.
They set up a mini.
Wait,
I'll
they
be
set
down
up
there
where?
in a minute.
Where did they set up?
I got it. I'm destroying it. Got it.
Oh, never mind. Oh, mini sentry in our courtyard. Sentry down. There's an engineer courtyard. I think the engine's long gone now.
That demo man is a spy! That demo man is a spy! Spy in our midst, men!
The enemy intelligence will return to their base.
Oh, medic demo night in our base.
Hey, is there still the red engineer who set up in Intel, do you want some tips on where you could set up to where it's harder to destroy your stuff?
Medic down. Oh, heavy's entering our base.
Here, come down to Intel and I'll show you a good spot for your stuff. Alright, so you kind of want to set up over here with your
Heavy
dispenser in the far
incoming.
back corner,
There's a
your
heavy
sentry
incoming.
just in front of it. Because if you put it there, they'll come around the corner, peek, and then as they get shot, it will force them back into this wall and they'll get hit by missiles.
Down. The
Alright.
heavy's down.
Then it will absolutely destroy them and make it harder to destroy. And then you can pop around the corner and blast them with the shotgun when they're sneaking up on your sentry. I'll set up a teleporter, that way you can get up. Just teleport if you need to. Oh shit, incoming! Sentry down, fall back to reinforce positions in Intel.
Got
This way
it.
will kill.
I killed him.
Alright. Scout in base.
Where?
Battlements. He's now trying to run down courtyard. Stairwell. He's running down stairwell into the Intel.
I can hear him calling for a medic.
I'll run down and help you with them. They're on battlements, I think.
Oh, I just killed
nice
him with a
one,
random
soldier.
crit. I killed him with a random crit.
Nice.
Yeah. Scout in our courtyard now, base. Oh, and a heavy
Heavy's
medic. Oh, they
back,
popped
heavy's
Uber.
back. They
They
popped
popped
Uber.
Uber.
I'm gonna carry my chute downstairs to try to reinforce down there.
Oh, they're going for our intel.
Actually, I'll
Sniper
surprise him
in
and
the
send him
center.
here.
Reinforcements are needed. I repeat, reinforcements are
Oh,
needed.
that NG got lucky. Or not.
In my way.
I can hear a scout calling for a medic.
I'm gonna set up in
I hear
courtyard.
the heavy, I hear the heavy, I hear the heavy. Damn it,
That heavy is me. One of the heavies is me.
I'm dead.
On fire.
Oh, they got our intel.
We have taken
Stairwell.
Sure will.
Wait, nope, it's the stairs. It's the stairs.
the enemy intelligence.
Thomas Light Heavy trying to
Hold them off
focusing
for
down
like
the
5
stairs with
seconds. I'm
gunfire.
setting up a level 3. Level 3's up.
Oh,
Made
we
him
got
outside.
him.
I got a random critical.
Nice.
Nice.
Me and Rogue with the double team yet again.
Remember, if we're gonna spread out our
both
stuff,
sides, that
tall dude. I'll try to cover battlements and great. They destroyed my shit. They're pushing. They're pushing.
Oh shit,
Oh,
this is
Bush is
bad.
coming.
This is very, very bad.
Incoming!
Heavy and medic in our base. Heavy medic soldier in our base.
Oh, they're trying. I think they have a teleporter set up in our sewers.
Intelligence has returned.
Yeah, they have to. They keep getting here way too quick.
Yeah, we
Oh,
need
crap,
we
oh,
need
crap,
a medic.
oh, crap. Oh shit, here we go again.
Come on, guys, mess them up. They're retreating. We have pistols for a reason. Holy shit! I escaped with 1 health.
Oh, they popped Uber. They popped Uber.
Oh crap, my sentry's down, my sentry's
Oh
down.
god, Bill. Keep them distracted.
Sniper on the balcony.
Medic down.
I'm just gonna wipe out
Oh,
that
he
soldier.
blew himself up.
Lamau.
He just blew himself up.
There's a sniper on the balcony.
Hey, can we get a heavy medic to sewers to see if they have a setup in there?
Sure can. I'm the heavy. I need a medic to go with me.
Heavy, heavy, heavy.
I think a demo would be better. Oh, spy. Got him.
My stuff is damaged. I'm on the way back.
Yeah, I got revenge. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
No teleporter in our sewer.
Alright, so they're probably just hauling ass.
Yeah, they probably are.
Battlements. I fucked them up.
Heavy in our base.
Tall dude, if we spread
He's
out
low,
our
get him,
defenses,
get
it'll
him.
work better.
Get him, Jakari.
The Uber only lasts
Got him.
for so long, so that if we spread out our stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stuff downstairs since you guys moved up. Remember, 1 person in courtyard and 1 person just in front of spawn facing battlements or grid. That way they can't get through there.
Oh, scout in our base. He's going for the intel.
I'm hauling ass to intel.
Oh, spy. Spy down.
Crap, dude all day. There we go.
Alright, I'm getting all my stuff set up again.
Get going! Go!
Oh, I think they have another push in our base.
We should probably.
Oh
start
yeah,
doing
they
pushes
do.
with them.
Heavy medic in our base.
Work, bump. Oh, it sounds like they're pushing courtyard.
Got a random crit on them. They should be pretty badly injured now.
Long pins, remember you gotta set up
They're coming.
Here you go. I'll help you get this set up.
Thanks.
No problem.
Oh, heavy coming through with it, and there's an engineer as well.
Are they setting up minis?
Mayday! Ready to charge!
That was a nice shot, wasn't it?
If one of the snipers can go heavy, and the other sniper goes soldier, I bet we can do a pretty good push. Or just
Car
a
go
soldier.
heavy. I'm a better sniper. Oh, another heavy medic combo coming in. Jesus.
These
Boy,
guys
they
are
are
thirsty.
persistent.
Yeah, they very are. Oh, heavy is down. Jakari sniped him. Oh, and he even got the sniper.
Mayday!
Do you think they'll keep falling for the same tricks over and over again?
I mean, they kind of are. They attack these sentries, I pull mine back, reinforce intel, or just go on intel, and we get them.
I've already killed these
I'm gonna
guys
switch to
too
heavy,
much.
that way we can do a push.
Snipers in the base. Alright, to the sewers we go.
Come on, Doctor.
Hey, what's up, sniper?
Push the intel, boys. We've got enough of their shit. Going down under. Engineer, if you could set up a teleporter exit somewhere down here, we'll be able to teleport over here. Sentry, pull back. I'll give you a sandwich. Ah, shit, spy. Our push got annihilated, but we fucked up their defenses. Soldier, if you're still in their base, push towards their intel.
I'm retreating because low HP.
No. Don't scout rush, because we still need some engineers for defensive. You can if you want, although I wouldn't suggest it.
I'm gonna build a teleporter exit in our base, and I'm gonna build an entrance in their base.
You might want to
Like,
switch
when we
those,
go
that
for
way we can
another
get over there.
If we do another rush and we're able to get into the base, I'll build a entrance. Okay, I'm gonna head down to the enemy sewers and build an entrance.
Alright, I'll head down there and cover you. Remember, exit over there.
Wait, hold on. Exit in the enemy tunnels?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Exit in the enemies, and then entrance in our base. That way we can go from our base to their base.
Okay. Okay, I'm building an entrance by the battlements. Wait, hold on, this is an exit.
Alright, medic and soldier, let's do a push. I'll go forward and mop up the bullets. Soldier, try to flank and mess them up. Medic, use your Uber if you have to. Try to save it for until the...
Build the exit.
Yeah, it's good.
Any engineers that are still at base, can you heal my sentry?
Keep scooting for their intel.
Exit has been placed.
Medic, come here, I got a sandwich for you. Ah shit, I dropped it. It's right there. Alright, we gotta go.
Spy over there. Ambassador.
Soldier, head down to
Exit.
intel. Me and medic will stay here and try to cause some chaos.
Oh, there's an engineer in their intel. They probably have a base set up here.
Alright, I'm moving down to help support.
Yeah, they got a base set up in their intel.
Medic, get ready to Uber once we turn the corner.
Medic, come to the intel. I need Uber.
I'm dead.
Alright, Uber me.
Uber the heavy, and then I'll move forward. There we go.
Oh, it's all empty.
Put spy behind us.
Here's the sandwich. Alright.
Oh, that
Medic,
was
if I
close.
die, grab it and book it. We're going for distance.
Yes, medic, if staff dies, grab the intel and just book it to the base.
We have clocked the enemy intelligence.
Ah shit, spy. Grab the intel and run.
Run, medic, run.
The enemy intelligence.
Remember, whoop out your
Grab
saw.
the intel and run.
Pyro, if you can grab the intel and get it for... Shit.
Go back to Calgary, you coward idiot.
On my way back to help assist.
Hey guys, can you help me? My Minecraft board isn't exiting. So is there anything I can do to fix that?
Ah, we tried. There's just too damn many of them.
Yeah, there's too much of them.
Yes, Pyro, keep pushing. Ooh.
Go. Oh, rip.
There's a spy right around the corner. To your right, sniper. Behind you.
The enemy intelligence. Return to their base.
They still haven't found the teleporter exit. Never mind, they found it.
Medic! 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 Medic!
They found the teleporter exit.
I got a new exit and I'm gonna build it.
No.
There we go.
You'll find me eating.
Come on, guys. I found a scout spy. There's a spy on the cloak. Thing. I found the exit.
Come along, Doctor.
Is Girardi missed me?
Thanks, mate. I am charged.
Gotcha. I want to pick up this sandwich real quick, medic. That way you can heal. Alright, let's go. They're down.
Why does Crybaby keep
Get
saying
ready to
the
over.
N-word?
Okay, now.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Oh, our enemy has our intel. Oh wait, never mind.
Alright, medic, book it. Don't worry about
Go,
me.
go,
Just
go,
book
go.
it. Get as
Go
far as you
medic, go
can.
medic, go medic, go medic. Book
I'll take care of
it.
the sniper.
Book it to our intel room.
Boom, sniper down.
Run, medic, run.
Run medic, run.
Intelligence.
Run Forrest.
Run, Forrest, run!
I always win.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Run, Pyro, run.
Intelligence.
Next guy, pick it up and run it. Soviet strategies.
One Forrest run for me to successfully cap the intel. Why is Crybaby telling people to kill themselves?
Tell dude, run. He's gonna fuck you up. Run. Oh, return.
The enemy intelligence has returned to their base.
Fuck it. I might just piss them off. I'm not going for intel. I'll go for it if I can, but... Oh wait, we have demo nights now. We can actually get it. We just gotta get into a demo knight or a scout.
Alright, I feel good.
But boys, we're doing a push.
Oh, they have a sentry.
Sentry is weak. Sentry is weak.
Where are the sentries?
In their courtyard. I fucked it up, but they're probably repairing it by now.
Hey, you got wrecked, Jakari. Oh, this kid out is intel.
Laval, you got the fucking dupe.
Got him.
The Millennia guys in our
Never mind.
Discord. That's why we get happy if we fuck them up.
You failed!
Right.